Good morning students. Today's class we are going to learn the new topic is list functions and methods from chapter 11. The last class we have seen what is meant by list, creating the list, accessing the list and making a true copy of the list. As you all know about that, what is the meaning of list? Yes, list is a different collection of different kind of values and store it in a single variable. Let us learn the functions and methods of the list. Before, we will learn what is meant by built-in functions. Built-in functions is a predefined functions that is supplied along with the compiler, and the built-in functions are those functions which are already built in the library. There is no need to create again. Okay, so built-in function, it is used to perform some certain task. It is already created. Let us learn the built-in functions in the list. Append function, insert function, extend function, index function, sort, reverse, clear, count, deletion operation. Append function. The name itself you know that append, that means end. The end of the value, end position, you are adding a single item to the end of the list. What is the syntax for writing this? List name dot append, in the bracket you have to pass the value, that means item. For example, NO here, the value list is created to the variable NO. NO dot append of, what is the value we have passed? 50. So 50 it will add to the element, the value of the list NO. Now print number NO, it will print the result. Append function, it adds a single item to the end of the list. The next function is insert function. It can be used to insert an element or object at a specified index. It has two arguments. The first one is index number, second argument is value. Index number, it is the index where the new value to be inserted. Value is the new value to be inserted into the list. We will see the example of this insert function. Now NO equal to, we have created the list. NO dot insert of 2, 25. Number 2 is an index value. 25 is an item. So 25 value to be inserted to the index value number 2. We have already have index value 2 and we have the value 30. After using this insert function, it will insert the value to index value and the value is 25. Now you can print the variable NO, it will display the result. Insert function, it has two arguments, index value, item. Extend function. Extend function, it will extend the list. So this function, it is used to make it bigger or longer a list. It adds one list at the end of another list. What is the syntax for writing this? List name dot extend list to name. List name here, it is the primary list which will be extended. List 2, it is a list which will be added to the list, primary list. For example, number 1 we have created the list, number 2 we have created the list. Here what is the syntax for writing this? Primary list dot extend of extend list, number 1 dot extend of number 2. We are going to extend the list of number 1 adding the list of number 2. So number 1 list is 10, 20, 30. Number 2 list is 15, 25, 35. So it will extend the list. Now you print the number 1. It will display the result as an extended list. What is the difference between append function and extend function? Append function, it will add a single element at the end of the list. Here number equal to 10, 20, we have created the list, 30. NO dot append of 70, it is added. NO dot append of 80, here added. NO dot append of 90, here the values added. Now you can print the number, it will print the result 10, 20, 30, 70, 80, 90. Because we have append the element from 70, 80, 90. So it will display the result as what we have appended the element. Extend method. Extend method, we have created the value and we can pass the list of value as arguments in the extend function also. So we have here we have passed 70, 80, 90 list of value to the function. So no is a variable dot extend of the list of value. So it will add and it will display the result. This is called as extend function. Index function. Index function returns the index of the first matched item from the list. It returns the first occurrence of an item for which the index position is to be searched for the list. It will return the first item matched in the list. What is the syntax for writing this? List name dot index of, what is the argument we are passing here? Item. And it will find the item, the first occurrence of the item, and it will display the result. Here 40. What is the value we have passed here? NO, we have created the list. Print NO dot index of 40. What is the item element? Item we have passed 40, the element. What is the 40 index position value? 3. So it will return the value as a 3. It will return the first occurrence index value. That is called as index method. You can create variable and you can store the index value to the variable and display the variable also, like this: k equal to no dot index of 40. So the 3, result of 3, it will store it in a variable k. Now you can print the variable k, it will display the result. Sort method. This function, it is used to sort the items in the list. What is the syntax for writing? Sorting means what? You can sort the element in ascending order or descending order. List name sort. There is no argument in the sort. Here we have created the list no equal to 40, 10, 50 to the variable no list. No dot sort. That means it will sort element in the list and it will display the result. Have you seen 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? It is in an ascending order. The next function is sorted function. This function, it takes the name of the list as an argument and returns a new sorted list with the sorted elements. What is the syntax for writing this? Sorted, in the bracket you can have to pass the sequence list, reverse equal to false, that it is an optional one. For example, we have created the list v equal to the list of values we have created to the variable v. S equal to sorted v reverse equal to true. That means it will sort the element here and it will store it in a variable s. Reverse equal to true. That means print the result. It will sort the element in an ascending order. By default, it will sort the element in an ascending order. If you want to sort the element descending order, you have to specify the reverse equal to true. That means it will sort the element in descending order. S equal to sorted v. That means what is the list of value we have passed? Variable v. So it will sort the element and it store it in a variable s. Now you can print the s value. It will display the values in the list in ascending order: 15, 17, 24, 30. So what is the difference between sort and sorted function? Sort method, it will display the result list of values in ascending order. Sorted function, it takes the name of the list as an argument. Takes the name of the list as an argument and it will returns the new sorted list with sorted elements. Clear method. Clear method removes all the elements from the list. Clear. It will clear the elements in the list. For example, days equal to, we have created the list Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Days dot clear. That means it will clear the list and it will display nothing the result. This is called as clear method. Count. Count method, it is used to count how many times the item or value found in the list. For example, days equal to, we have created the list. Print days dot count of, what is the argument we have passed? Player. And this function, it will count the value how many times it is present in the list. Here 1, 2, 3. So it will display the result as 3. You can store it in the result value to the another variable, and using this variable you can print the result also. Delete operation. Deletion operation. There are 3 methods to delete the element from the list: pop, del, remove. If index is known, we can use pop or delete method. If the element is known, you can use the remove method. To remove more than one element, you can use delete method. Pop method, this function, it removes the element from the specified index and also returns the element which was removed. For example, number equal to the list of value we have created in the list of variable no. Print no dot pop. What is the index value we have passed? 4. What is the index value we have passed? 4. The value of the index value, what is the value? 6. So it will remove the element 6 and it will print the result. Del, that means delete function. It removes the element from the specified index or using slicing, but does not returns the element which was removed. Number, we have specified delete number of 4. So it will remove the element from the specified index and it will display the result. Remove method. This function is used when we know the element number, not the index value. What is the syntax for writing this? List name dot remove of value. You have to pass the argument as a value. The list of value we have created in the variable no. No dot remove of 2, number 12. So the 12 value it will remove from the list and it will display the result. Max. Max function, it returns the element value with the maximum value from the list. Min function, it returns the element of the value with the minimum value from the list. No equal to, we have created the list. Print max of no, that means it will find the maximum of value from the list. What is the value here? 42. Print min of number, it will find the minimum of value from the list. What is the minimum value here? 10. It will display the result. Reverse method, it reverses the order of the elements in the list. No equal to, we have created the list of value to the variable no. No dot reverse. Print no, that means it will display the list in the reverse order. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Let us revise what we have completed today. What are the functions we have learned? Append function, extend function. Append function, you can add an element at the end of the list. Insert function, you can insert the element in the list. Extend function, you can use this function to extend the list. Index function, you can specify the index value, it will return the index value. Sort, you can use this function to sort the list. Reverse, you can use this function to reverse the list. Clear this function, you can use this function to clear the list. Count, it will count this number of element in the list and it will display the result. Deletion, There are three operations in deletion: pop, remove and delete. Thank you students. We will see in the next class.